Alright, so you've got some funds on your Direct Express card and you're thinking of transferring it to your bank account? Well, you're in luck because you can totally do that, but let's break it down a bit. So, first off, there's a small fee of $1.50 for each transfer you make. So, you should keep that in mind before proceeding. So, when it comes to making the transfer, you've got a few paths to choose from. First up, you can visit the official website, or if you're more of a mobile user, then there's a dedicated mobile app available for download. Just simply grab it from your App Store or Play Store, install it, and you're all set to transfer funds on the go. Alternatively, if you prefer the good old-fashioned phone call, then you can dial the toll-free customer service department number conveniently located on the back of your Direct Express card. And there you have it. So whether you prefer the ease of web browsing, the convenience of mobile apps, or a straightforward phone call, the choice is entirely yours. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.